Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues, you should just go settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to the window of TikTok. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. After that, we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you will search about TikTok, you will find updates. You can update your application as you see here. If it's not working, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.